She fired you?
We think we can overturn it in court. Littleton's going to stand up for me, but, I don't know.
Jimmy, what if you agree to do the stuff that Rachel wants you to do?
Fingerprint innocent people, roadblocks. What?
Nothing. I agree with you. I do.
What? Say it.
I'm scared, that's all. We have two sons who are extremely fragile right now, emotionally, psychologically. This is a bad time for their father to get fired. And the Clinton health plan's going to cut my salary by 30%. If we lose your income, Jimmy, then...
I'll get another job.
Jimmy, you're 52 years old. I mean, how many opportunities are there for 52-year-old sheriffs? And do you really want to be something other than a sheriff?
Visiting hours are really over at 9.
Tough. Open it. I'll call you when I'm ready to go.
I should really guard.
Get out. When did you decide to shoot the Brock boy?
After he hurt my brother with the potato thing.
So, after that, you went home and got the gun out of your parents' safe. Did you think about what you were about to do?
I don't know.
What if you had killed him? What then? Did you want to kill him? What do you think about now?
That I might have to stay in jail.
I'm appearing today